What's up everyone, how you doing? Today I'm just doing a walk and talk. Sounds good, doesn't it? So we're going to walk to a waterfall. We hit Skull Creek in Dunedin. It's pretty, eh? And at the end I'm just going to show you the waterfall. It's going to be amazing. Here's a view. Look how good that is. Oh, sorry. How cool is that? So I'm just going a new one on this side. So we're just gonna keep on walking. We're just gonna keep on walking, and I'm gonna start drinking. I'm just joking. Oh guys, I think we found a bridge. Let's go and see. Now, this bridge looks nice. It's gonna take so long. Oh no, it's a road. It's a road. Let's see what the sign says. Golf course. Okay. We found a road. Okay, I'm just gonna go across the road. I'm gonna wait. Hey guys, I crossed the road. Sounds great, doesn't it? I never done a video for a long time. This walk is quite nice. Oh, sorry. It's nice, isn't it? I like doing talks. I know I can't go live, but when I get lots of subscribers, I'll go live. Ooh, these walks are nice. I know I've been eating and stuff, but I've never done a walk talk. We should probably do it more. If we do more likes and more subscribers, I'll do some more of that. Okay, comment as well if you can. I don't know how to do that. So, yeah. I know you're asking something. I know you're like, where is this track? It's a big track. I don't know the name. It's really nice in New Zealand. Here's a pretty view. Very nice. Whew. Oh, look at that creek down there. Is it nice? Okay, let's back to walk. Aw, dang it. That place is closed. I don't think that place was... Whew. Okay. So, we just gotta keep on walking till we find the end of this waterfall. Sounds cool, eh? It does. I'm going to show you the waterfall as well on the end of the video. This is the longest video I've made, except for the horizon. And I've been doing a lot of these stunts. I can't really. Whew. Look at those stairs. Wow. They're pretty stairs. Pretty cool, right? Hey, let's walk down. Oh, what's that? Oh, nothing. Oh, look. Henry, I think you're getting close. There's a bee. Oh, he's in there. Oh. Okay. Oh, look at this look. It looks so cool. Whoa, I'm walking over it. These are my shoes. I'm wearing shorts for the first time. And now sorry I haven't been uploading a lot. I tried to upload on my other phone, or should I say for short camera. Hang on. Okay. I know some of you are my biggest fans. Hope you enjoy this video. I'm not going to end it right now. Enjoy the video of me walking. More likes, and next time I walk, I will do another talk, okay? Deal. Yes, sir. Okay, guys, did you hear that, guys? He sounds like the waterfall. Should we? Oh no, I don't think it's a waterfall. I think it's another one. Whoa. Yeah, I'll show you. I think this is a waterfall. That thing's loud. Look at it. Wow, you can go down there. I'm not going down there today. Just keep on walking. Hey? Okay. This will be the end of the video. Have a see you next time. Bye!